Good morning student. In previous video we have completed exercise 3.3. In today's video I am going to explain properties of some special parallelogram. Here I explain the rhombus. Now what is rhombus? Definition is given. A parallelogram in which a pair of adjacent sides is equal is called a rhombus. Parallelogram in which? Parallelogram means what? Its opposite side pair are parallel. Okay. The parallelogram in which adjacent side pairs are equal, then that parallelogram is called a rhombus. Now what are the properties of the rhombus? First property is given. All the sides of rhombus are equal in length. All the sides are equal in length. This is the first property. And second property, the diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. That is very important. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Now AC and BD are the diagonals of rhombus which intersect at point O at 90 degree. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Then second type is rectangle. Now what is rectangle? Rectangle is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. Then that parallelogram is called a rectangle. Now ABCD is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. Then that parallelogram is called a rectangle. Now see the properties of rectangle. First property, all interior angles of rectangles are right angle. All the angles in rectangle, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are 90 degree. Then next property of rectangle is opposite side of rectangles are equal. Now AB and CD are the opposite side. These two sides are equal. Then AD and BC are equal. Okay. Third property of rectangle is diagonal of rectangle bisect each other, not perpendicular bisector. Okay. They bisect each other. AC and BD are the diagonals of rectangle, intersect at point O and they bisect each other. Then next property of rectangle is diagonal of rectangles are equal. Diagonals of rectangles are equal. Diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. Okay. Remember the properties for the rectangle. Then next type is square. Now what is square? According to definition, square is a rectangle with a pair of adjacent sides equal. Okay. Then that rectangle is called a square. ABCD is a square. Then what are the properties of the square? First property is all the sides of square are of equal length. This means all the sides of the square are equal. Then second property is each angle of square is a right angle. All sides are equal and each angle of square is right angle. Okay, this is the second property of the square. Then third property is diagonals of square are of equal length. Diagonal of the square are equal in length. Then properties 4 is diagonal of square bisect each other at right angle or they are perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonals of square are equal and perpendicular bisector of each other. These are the properties of square. Now here I am going to take question from exercise 3.4 based on the properties of rhombus, square and the rectangle. Okay. Here I take question number second. Question number second is given. Diagonal of rhombus are 6 cm and 8 cm. Find the length of side of the rhombus. Okay. Now remember the properties for the rhombus about the diagonals. We know that diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Here I take quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. In quadrilateral, in triangle AOD, see AC and BD are the diagonals of rhombus. Intersect at point O They are perpendicular bisector of each other, therefore there is angle of 90 degree. Clear? And length of the diagonal given 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Therefore length of AO is equal to what? 3 centimeter, half of 6 centimeter. And similarly OD is equal to, this is BD is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore OD is equal to what? 4 centimeters. Therefore now in triangle AOD, this is the right angle triangle. Angle AOD is equal to what? 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse, that is AD square, is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides, that is AO square plus OD square. AO is given 3 square plus OD is equal to what? 4 square. 3 square, that is 9. 4 square, this is equal to 16. Here we get 25. Taking square root on both the sides, here we get AD is equal to square root of 25. Then AD is equal to what? 5 centimeter. If AD is equal to 5 centimeter, this is the side of the rhombus. Therefore, we know that according to property of rhombus, all the sides of rhombus are what? Equal in length. Therefore, length of the side of the rhombus is equal to what? 5 centimeter. Okay, student? Now see the next question. Question number 3. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Find angle OPS. Which angle? OPS. This angle here we have to find out. And angle QOR is given. QOR is equal to what? 42 degree is given. Okay. Now this is the rectangle. We know the property for the rectangle. Diagonals of rectangles are equal and bisect each other. Diagonals of the rectangles are equal and bisect each other. Now PR and SQ are the diagonals of rhombus which are equal and intersect at point what? O, which bisect each other. In triangle OPS, here I take this triangle. OS is equal to what? OS is equal to what? OP. Diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. Therefore, here we get what? OS is equal to OP. OS is equal to OP. If these two sides are equal in this triangle, then angle opposite to congruent sides are equal. Therefore, we write angle OSP, this angle is equal to angle OPS. Okay, that we have to find. Equation number 1. Then angle SOP, this angle is equal to angle QOR. These two angles are equal. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. This is equal to what? 40 degree. Here we write the reason, vertically opposite angles. Now in this triangle, sum of three angles is equal to what? 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore I write angle OSP plus angle OPS plus angle SOP is equal to 180 degree. Now OPS and OSP, these two are equal from equation 1. You can write from equation 1 and 2. Okay. Therefore OSP, here I write angle OPS. Okay. OPS as it is here. SOP here we find out 42 degree is equal to 180 degree. OPS plus OPS, here I write 2 times angle OPS is equal to 180 degree minus 42. Okay, here I transfer 42 on the right hand side. Therefore angle OPS is equal to, subtraction of this is equal to what? 138. Here I transfer, it will come in division, 138 divided by 2. Then angle OPS is equal to what? 69 degree. I hope student you understand both the question, how to use the properties are given, okay, to solve the question. Now note down your homework from question number 3. The example is homework for you and question number 4. This is all for today student. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much.